What's up, guys? This market is so boring, but something exciting did happen literally over the last 24 hours. The Pi network has officially launched, marking a groundbreaking moment for all pioneers. So, yeah, Pi's open network, which is that coin where you could sort of like mine it on your mobile phone, has finally gone live. You can see here as an example. It says the first digital currency you can mine on your phone. And I remember like 2 years ago, everyone talking about this, everyone doing it on their phone really effortlessly, and basically they just got mining like instantaneously, and that coin is now live and trading. We can see it sitting here today at 72 cents. Yeah, maybe we could get some more upside continuation here of the price action. It's very early. It did tap into $2 just gently and briefly, but overall, just wondering what's going to happen next for this coin. So we can see, yeah, the external connectivity is now enabled. Pioneers can engage in transactions beyond the Pi ecosystem, connect with KYB verified businesses, and access new integrations like centralized exchanges. So we can see, just looking at this, it is accessible across a bunch of different centralized exchanges: OKX, BitGet, Gate, DigiFinex. Not heard of that one, don't really like the look of it either. Pionex, so there's a few good ones there. The top exchanges getting the most volume are usually the most trustworthy ones, but yeah, in general, I mean, it looks pretty good, to be fair. So I don't know what to think of Pi, but yeah, overall, we'll just have a little dig into the price action here and just quickly talk about Pi and what I think of the coin overall. Winners, if you want to make some more money in this market, guys, check out the Discord down below. Jacob's Crypto Clan. If you want to get some huge daily trading signals, you can see my community down below, getting some incredible wins every single day, whether the market is up, down, or sideways. There's profits to be made, as you can see right here. So check out the Patreon. Little as $4 per month will get you into that, all the way up to the top tier here, which is $100 per month for the Crypto Legend package. Space is limited, so do jump in very, very quickly. Now, Pi coin. 6.33 billion self-reported, circulating supply of 9.74 billion total supply there. The max supply is 100 billion Pi. So over time, we're going to see a lot of inflation with the token. We're going to see more of these coins, entering the ecosystem, and this is going to create token dilution, which will devalue the price of each token. Now, I don't know the supply schedule and when these coins get released or are fully migrated or however this works, but right now we can see Pi is in a motion of just moving down more and more and more. I also don't know what exchanges they've got in the pipeline as well, so it's very, very new. I don't know if they're going to launch on Coinbase or if they're going to go onto MEXC and Gate. I think they're already on Gate, but the bigger top sort of dragon exchanges. So overall, very exciting, and it just kind of happened in the middle of sort of February as the markets are really down. And I think it was actually quite a good strategic launch because nothing is really happening, and now Pi can take all that share because nothing is moving, but Pi is finally here. So it could actually potentially go up higher. Will Pi get to $1 is what I'm really wondering right now. Looking at the volume, it is down 25% over the last 24 hours here. We can say, just looking at the price structure here, we are getting a flurry of candles on the 15-minute time frame. We are starting to see some movement to the upside. Now, there is a big layer of support down here at 0.68, but it's really hard, like I say, to say what's going to happen with a token that's so new. We don't have a lot of historical data. We're still in a pretty rough market, but it does look like it is producing nice higher highs each time on this local time frame. Just this very, very small time frame that we've got here. We may even get some continuation to the upside. So I'm keen to see what may happen next here. And I'm really, really curious because we can see on the 4-hour time frame, we've got 3 consecutive green candles. That hold down there at 0.62, they really want to hold it. And I think that Pi team don't want to see more negative price action than what we've got right here. Overall, I think it would be great to see this coin come back to about $1. $1 would be really good. If we get that flurry of candles and break out of this resistance here, it could be, really nice looking. If we look at our Fibonacci retracement, that takes us to $1.14, which is quite realistic, I think, as well. Back to the hour table here. Yeah, 2 consecutive green hourly candles. And we've got some volume flowing in, but just not enough, really. Could get rejected at 75 cents. I'm not entirely sure, but guys, how this market is. It's wild. Things just get a bit crazy. I think a crazy area here would be back to 90 cents, and this would allow on the charts here to draw quite a nice sort of W pattern where we've kind of got this, we come down, we come back up, we come down, and then we come up. Of course, it's far from a double bottom, but you can sort of see this sort of action here. But 69 cents, you know, seemed like a great entry here, which would have been extreme fear, but it did launch and actually hit pretty high here on this exchange here. It went up to $3.41, but quickly tumbled down with all the selling pressure that incurred because it's free tokens, right? People are going to sell. And unless we're actually seeing fresh liquidity and volume come in, you know, unless it's like market makers artificially pumping, which I highly doubt is going to happen, or maybe it already is, I'm not entirely sure. But with a market like this, it's not really a FOMO sort of market. It's quite a dead and boring market, but 0.75 now for Picoin. So we could potentially see this break through this resistance of 0.76, which is pumping right now, by the way, and breaking out that resistance, as we can see, which is just fabulous to see during the video. So yeah, super volatile. Again, I don't know what's going to happen with this coin. I don't have a crystal ball for it. We might just get rejected here and end up coming back down. As we can see, it's volatile. It just tap into the 0.77 on this exchange, but yeah, it's looking all right. I think a lot of people will be talking about it just because there's nothing else to talk about, and a friend will tell a friend, and then suddenly, you know, we could potentially see this back to $1. It would be good to see this back to $1, but I don't foresee any continuation. I don't feel $2. I don't feel $3 right now, not in the market that we're currently in because of the lack of euphoria and greed in this market. So yeah, guys, 77 cents now for Pi token. It is going up as we're making this video, which is kind of crazy. But I just don't know how high it's going to go. If you are looking to make some more crypto gains in this market, check out Jacob's Crypto Clan. We are sitting at 39.8k followers, guys, or members in this Discord. So we're very close to 40,000. It's very exciting times ahead. And yeah, if you're looking to buy cryptos, you can use Bitchnix over here. Major sign-up bonuses could be available if you get signed up down below. Bitchnix is a no KYC, easy on-ramp fiat crypto exchange where you can do leverage, copy trading, spot trading, futures trading, and it is globally accessible. This is like my favorite exchange right now, so get signed up to that as well whilst you're at it. And if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, let the algorithm know that we're here to, you know, shed light on the crypto space and educate people and just let people know what's going on in the market. So thanks for watching this video and clicking on it. Legends. Peace.